What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to my channel. In this video I want to show you how to simplify a radical expression. I'm gonna use quotient rule or quotient property. So we have square root of 45 divided by 125. That will 9 times 5, and here we have 25 times 5. That's gonna be square root of 9, 5, 25, 5. These two cancel out. It will be 3 squared divided by square root of 5 squared, because 9 is 3 squared, 25 is 5 squared. Then it changes to 3 divided by 5. Next one is square root of 300 divided by 243. 300 is 100 times 3. 243 is 81 times 3, which is 100 is 10 squared. 3 is 3. And then we have square root of 9 squared times square root of 3. These two cancel out. Square root of 10 squared is 10. Square root of 9 squared is 9. That's how we have it. Next one. Square root of x to the power of 10 divided by x to the power of 6. That makes it x to the power of 10 minus 6, which is square root of x to the power of 4. X to the power of 4 divided by 2 is going to be just x squared. Next one, square root of p to the power of 20 divided by p to the power of 10, which is going to be p to the power of 20 minus 10, which is square root of p to the power of 10, which will have p to the power of 10 divided by 2, and it's going to be p to the power of 5. Next one, simplifying square root of y to the power of 4 divided by y to the power of 8. So square root of y to the power of 4 minus 8, which is going to be square root of y to the power of negative 4. So y to the power of negative 4, the square root of it is going to be y to the power of negative 4 divided by 2, which is going to be y to the power of negative 2, or 1 over y squared. That's the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you.